Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you legitimately control. Sign into your Apple ID to verify the password, then check that Find My was enabled on the device before it went missing. Once done, collect proof of ownership, receipt, serial number, or original box, because Apple requires verification for recovery. If you cannot receive two-factor codes, don't try to circumvent security. Instead, prepare the account details and ownership documents so you can follow official recovery and support paths. Next, pursue Apple's built-in recovery process. Go to the account recovery flow and enter your Apple ID. Follow each prompt and note any estimated wait times because recovery can take days. If you have a trusted phone or device, try requesting a code there. If that's not possible, escalate to Apple support. When you contact them, clearly present proof of purchase and device identifiers so they can validate ownership and guide you through regaining access without bypassing two-factor authentication. Finally, once Apple verifies you and you regain account access, open iCloud. Calm or the Find My app to locate, play sound, lock, or erase the device. If Find My was not enabled, don't attempt hacks. Instead, file a police report and give Apple the case ID and your proof of ownership for additional support. If things stall, request escalation and a case ID, then resubmit any missing documentation. This keeps you within legal channels and protects your data and device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.